This video is recorded to help my students understand how to calculate the difference quotient. First, students need to know the definition of the distance quotient. Distance quotient is the average rate of change of function fx from x to x plus h. It is defined as fx plus h minus fx over x plus h minus x. That's the definition of the average rate of change of function fx from x to x plus h. Now, if you simplify the denominator, you will get this difference quotient is just fx plus h minus fx over h. Now, many students can memorize this definition, but they have some trouble to do the calculation. Let us use an example to show the students where need to pay attention when you do this calculation. For example, let's calculate the difference quotient of the function fx equal negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. The difference for the student, the difficulty here is some students still don't completely understand the function. They're confused with you put x plus h inside the function variable x. x plus h is kind of confused. So how do you understand this? I always tell my students, x itself doesn't mean anything. X is just a placeholder, a magical box. You can put anything in this box. So if you put x plus h in this box, equivalent to say you replace every x by x plus h. So what is fx plus h? Equivalent to say you replace every x by x plus h. You replace every x in fx function definition. Replace every x by x plus h. Now you can continue your calculation. This is just equal negative 2 multiply x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, then plus 3x plus 3h minus 1. Now, if you open the parentheses, you will have negative 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared plus 3x plus 3h minus 1. This is your fx plus h. Simply replace every x in the definition of fx by x plus h. Common mistake for students is that many students forgot this formula. X plus h squared is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Many students forget about the middle term 2xh. Okay? Another mistake is when the student open this parenthesis, this negative 2 should multiply each term inside this parenthesis, which means you have negative 2 multiplied x squared is negative 2x squared, negative 2 multiplied 2xh is negative 4xh, and negative 2 multiplied h squared is negative 2h squared. That's how you open the parenthesis. Now, let's say next step, you list out what is fx. Fx is just by the definition negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Then you compare these two rows this row and this row. You know you need to subtract fx from fx plus h. So fx plus h, subtract fx. If you notice that every term in fx shows up in fx plus h. So this difference is just simply all the terms that in fx plus h that is not and is not in fx. So in that case, you just need to copy down whatever in fx plus h but not in fx, which is negative 4xh minus 2h squared plus 3h. Those three terms are in fx plus h but not in fx. And all the terms in fx, they are in fx plus h. So the difference is just these three terms. Now, continue the calculation. You need to do it based on the definition. This will be fx plus h minus fx divided by h. That simply is negative 4xh minus 2h squared plus 3h divided by h. If you notice the numerator, every term has h. So you can use the distribution rule for the division. You use each term divided by h. Negative 4xh divided by h is negative 4x. Then minus 2h squared divided by h is minus 2h. Plus 3h divided by h is plus 3. So you got your final result is negative 4x minus 2h plus 3. That's the difference quotient of fx equal negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. If you have any questions, please email me.